me, Violet, here on Bladverse, your source for everything super. Whether it be books, shows, clothes, DIYs, or toys. And if it's super related, so if you like superheroes, click subscribe button. Click! Today, we're doing a DC Supergirl episode breakdown, Fly By Night, episode 423. Let's watch.
Get your cape on, and let's take flight. We can be who we like. Get your cape on. Now's the time. Save the world from crime. Get your cape on. We're DC superhero girls.
Lady Date will rock your world.
But what if someone hears? It's after curfew.
It's the end of the semester. All we have left to do now is turn in our partner project for phys ed.
Oh, my Hera! I left the project in the caf. If we don't have it first period, we'll both fail.
But it's after curfew. You know how strict Waller is about curfew. Coast is clear.
What are you doing here?
Can't let you get detention alone. You should just let me do it. Being tidy makes sneaking easier.
Well, I can't let you get detention alone either. Oh, my foot's asleep. Why are lockers so small?
I didn't notice. At least we didn't get caught.
You have the right to remain. Wonder Woman? Bumblebee? What are you doing out after curfew? I left our project in the caf.
It's my duty as hall monitor to give you detention. But to recover the project without getting caught, you need someone who knows these halls better than anyone. Someone who's risked life, limb, and wing to monitor them. Someone who...
You coming or what?
This hall is Vice Principal Grodd's patrol route. We have 15 seconds to get through it before he comes back this way.
Just finished up the semester grading. I'll be at the dance club soon. I wouldn't miss Rumba night.
I smell kids out after curfew. Who was that? Get back here!
In here.
Who's in here? You will get so much detention when I catch you. No one breaks curfew on my watch!
Which way?
I know. You guys hide.
Those delinquents must have gone upstairs. I'll get you.
Come on!
We made it.
I feel both exhilarated and like I should give myself detention.
Phew. At least Principal Waller will never know.
Principal Waller will never know what.
Well...
It's all right, girls. Just this once, I won't tell Vice Principal Grodd. You know how strict he is about curfew and about people eating his bananas.
That was a funny episode because Waller was eating a sundae. What? And then she was like, about what? Vice Principal Grodd takes curfew very seriously. And he can smell the kids are out. He got a powerful nose. They gave him a run for his money. It sounds like school's almost out for Superhero High. I wonder what will be in the next episode. Bye guys, thanks so much for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. And remember, always be yourself, unless you could be a superhero. Then always be a superhero. Okay, love you, bye-bye.